So this is our local station. I have just reached right now, and from here I will go to Farakka, and from Farakka I will catch the train to New Delhi, and it will be another experience in my life. Hopefully the journey should be better. Yeah. So finally I have just reached in Farakka, and from here I will catch the train for New Delhi, and I am extremely excited for this journey, and hopefully it will be better for me and I will enjoy this journey. Yeah. Here is Farakka. So you can see beautiful scenery surrounding the Farakka junction. Yeah. So there is garden. So finally the train arrived at Farakka, and this is the train, and let me enter into it and just step into the train, and let me open the door, and I've just opened it and enter into the AC2 tire coach, and lots of seats are filled up till now, and they have a very little child, you can see. And finally I reached to my coach, and here is my seat actually. So here is the seat, and let me just let me ready my seat. Yeah, I just take my bed sheet and whatever IRCTC provided, and just opened it, and finally I just ready my seat and wake up so early in the morning, and I have to take rest, and I will just try to sleep. And finally I am just lay down on my seat, and wow, so comfortable. Finally I am feeling wake up early in the morning, and I was extremely tired. There have a light also that that if you want to sleep, or if you want to read something, then you can just warn it that no one will be disturbed by you. So you can just warn it if you want to read something or you need some light, you can just use it. Yeah. So it's a good option in this tire actually, and that's really great. And you can see this little little baby. Yeah, very funny actually. I just enjoyed her accompany throughout the journey, and it was so much interesting. Actually there was two children. Actually one was female, one was male, and wow, that was really interesting something. Yeah. So finally it's night time, and I'm just ready to. Hey, good morning everyone. Just reached in Bareilly, and you know that Bareilly ki barfi. So this is Bareilly Junction. This is the surrounding scenery of Bareilly Junction. You can see the signboard here. So this is the first time I have reached here. Yeah, that's amazing. So finally just reached in Delhi, and it was a really amazing moment, amazing journey for me, and it is really a memorable one. And most importantly, I meet some amazing passengers in the train. I just show you the little boy. She's such a tremendous. She was just the exact point of the happiness. So all the time she was just charming, she was just jumping, she was just laughing and talking lots of. and it's really enjoyable. Even the little children I have shown in this video, she just named all the stations name in his diary and came from home actually. And when she got up in the train, and once the station were crossing, she was just going to take, and it was really amazing to see her. So it was a after all it was a great journey, and every journey is a memorable one if you can enjoy it. So it was just tremendous for me. So finally reached, so I have to just got down from the train, and we will meet again in the another journey if we alive. Yeah. So till then is bye bye from me.